In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Calendly schedule. Printing your Calendly schedule can be incredibly useful, whether you're preparing for a busy week, sharing meeting details with a colleague, or simply keeping a hard copy on hand for quick reference. Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool, and knowing how to export and print your meeting details ensures you stay organized and on top of your commitments. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging into your account to customizing your print settings. Let's get started. First, open a new tab on your browser and navigate to the official Calendly website. That's www.calendly.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your email and password. This step is important because logging in allows you to access your personalized dashboard where all your meeting information is stored and managed. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your dashboard. From here, locate and click on the Meetings section. This section is where all your scheduled events are listed, making it easy to find the specific meeting you want to work with. Take a moment to browse through your scheduled meetings. When you find the one you'd like to print, click on its details. This will open the Meetings Details page, which contains all the essential information about that event, such as the time, date, and participants. Accessing this page ensures you have all the relevant details ready for printing. On the Meeting Details page, look for the Export option. It might be located in the top corner or somewhere visible on the page. Click on it to export your meeting information. Exporting creates a downloadable file that includes everything you need, formatted specifically for easy printing. Now, wait for the file to download to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file might save directly to your default download folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location. If you don't see the file immediately, check your Downloads folder or your browser's download bar. Once the file has downloaded, locate it on your computer and open it. This file will typically open in a program that supports its format, such as a PDF reader. Opening the file allows you to view the meeting details and confirm that everything looks correct before you proceed to print. With the file open, find the Print option within the program. This is usually located under the File menu or displayed as a printer icon on the toolbar. Click on it to bring up your printing options. Here, you can customize the print settings to fit your needs. For example, you can adjust color preferences, select specific pages to print, or even change the orientation of the document. Take a moment to review these options and make any adjustments you need for the best results. Finally, send the file to your printer. Once the printer completes the job, you'll have a physical copy of your Calendly meeting schedule ready for reference or sharing. And that's how you print your meeting schedule from Calendly. By following these steps, you can easily export, download, and print your meeting details whenever you need them. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your schedule today. So now you know exactly how to print your Calendly schedule in just a few simple steps. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.